Oh, it's so good. What do you know about downhill mountain biking? Everything. Let's go. So this is the weapon of choice today. A diamond back, you know, so fucking sick right there. I believe it's Steph's older brother's old bike from when I was a young kid. You know, we've got some like sick Fox stickers here. A Motor Rex sticker, that's gonna make me real fast. We've got the chain on there still that we don't know the code to, so it's just gonna stay because, like, you know, it looks sick. What else? We got some, you know, some peds, that's always a good time. Odyssey, good time. You know, the dual sus, but with the back doesn't really work too well, so it's gonna be a bit of a stiff ride. But yeah, gonna go hit some trails up today. Just waiting for the big JK to get here, and we're just gonna fucking go shred. It's as simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Also, I should mention, got myself one of the new GoPro chest straps because the one with the backpack sucks dick. So this one's actually really tight and actually sits on my chest. So hopefully I can actually get some decent chest mount footage today. Yeah, let's give this a good old crack. Yeah, when you're a professional rider like me, you never pump up your own tires. That's what Johnny is. Nah, you're doing a good job, John. Yeah, fucking usually Trek's out here, or Maxxis is out here, whatever that tire brand's called. Give it a go, mate. Oh, the little hand pump, you reckon? Oh, lucky. I reckon that's fucking pretty up there, mate. It's just not really fucking Jesus. I reckon that's as good as she's gonna get. How do you get the cunt off? Wiggle. That's gonna have to do, mate. That's just fucking what. Look, honestly, let's think of a name for her. I don't know what to call it.
Dude, that's so hard.
Mate, I'm fucking... Dude, don't worry, I've got it in the bag. Trust me, fucking good old Motor Rex is gonna fucking shred, bruz. Let's just do this front tire. Yeah, fucking not bad. Not bad, guys. The worst part was, this thing was like pretty brand new. I'm pretty sure Steph's boyfriend, I'm Steph's boyfriend. I'm pretty sure Steph's brother's girlfriend bought that for the bike. But unfortunately, that's just not the way it's meant to be. And I need to ride this thing, so yeah, it had to come off. We're out here at Kentlyn. Got the JK, he's got his fucking shift fucking harrow, how the fuck are ya? I've got my little fanny pack here. Gonna put my phone in there, you know, full pro, look at that. See a lot of mine. I don't have any water, that's unfortunate, but you know, just sweat it out. But yeah, so we're at Kentlyn, and hopefully we'll find some pretty fucking sick trails, not bad. How good those brakes sound though. Alrighty, what way do we go? What was that? Yeah. Oh, now the climb, fuck me.
Watch out, 'cause I know the brakes coming. I know the brakes coming.
Holy fuck. That's a bit gnarly. Huh? I don't really know if I want to do this on this thing. I'll walk that part.
Future reference. What side to park?
I think that was the right side to park on. You jumped out on top of the trail.
But and then we get to come back up.
Oh, bro, I could not do that on this thing. You sure this isn't the black run, John? Well, I managed to continue to fuck up the chest footage. So maybe it isn't the accessories, but it's just me being a fucking idiot. So lap 2, we will hopefully get some better stuff. All right, this is run number 2, trying a different camera angle again. Hopefully I can figure this shit out so there's a decent angle of some footage of people actually riding instead of my fucking bike. Alrighty, Johnny, let's fucking do it. Oh, keep an eye out for the roo as well. Yeah. Woo! Holy fuck, dude. What the fuck is this? Is it meant to be a blue?
Man, they're fucking awesome, like, leading up.
Yeah. Then it's like, hello, look at this fucking gnarly drop. How is this a blue?
But, like, yeah, I'm not that good.
It's like, if you want this to work, you need to be a good guy and go like this. Bike, bang, bang, jump. And then, bro, people do that. That is so fucked.
Down ramp,
yeah, it's like a rock down ramp.
how?
I don't know.
Someone's... I'm not game.
Let's just get a size comparison. There's you walking down it. That drops as tall as you.
5'10",
yeah. Oh, dude. That's gnarly, man. That's so gnarly. This place is crazy. I think this is now doable now that I see the line for it though.
Like up there it looks shit.
Yeah. If you were to drop down that and then you like come down there. Yeah, that's not too bad. We could have done that. Alrighty, let's go again. This time a better angle. Johnny's telling me I need to keep up with him, so I need to get into a high gear first then. Let's go, Jay. Fucking, he just takes off. And he takes off again. I just cannot keep up. Just cannot keep up with the old JK. Woo! Lost my foot off the pedal there. Oh, fuck. Oh. You alright? Where are you going? Alright. Oh yeah, nice one. Is this the way we came the first time? Oh. Oh, it's so good.
You all sweat all over my glasses.
Bro, so you need to get these guys have the sweat thing up the top. It's not happening.
Yeah, that was so scary.
You did well on the first, yeah. Just need to fucking ride a back seat more like that. Oh, this is the fuck thing again, eh? Oh god, oh god. Yep, it's still good. Oh god, still good. I haven't fallen off the bike yet. Oh fuck, the back brake is no longer slipping. Ah! Take this path. And yeah, John, that's how you do it, mate. I think, bro, I don't think my front shocks have gone that deep ever. Yeah, nice shit, man.
That's nice.
That was good though.
I was fucked up up top because I was like, I'm gonna go that real tight corner one.
Yeah.
You know, went right.
Yeah.
I went like near. Didn't work for me.
That was fun, dude. That's actually so much fun.
Yeah.
That section where you take the right though is pretty gnarly because that first drop, dude, like I was like full down. Not a good time. Alrighty. Well, that's it from us today. We didn't anticipate how unfit we both are, mainly John.
Yeah, fucking unfit.
But yeah, I guess that's the first look at Kentlyn. Kentlyn, yeah. It's almost like Caitlin.
Yeah, man.
You're riding your missus, mate. That was a bit rude. But anyway, yeah, fucking not bad. Make sure you fucking like it. If you like it, subscribe if that's something you want to do, and get outside, ride some bikes, go hit some gnarly rock drops with an old piece of Rex. This is what it's called now. It's called the old Rex. Tough little bastard. But anyway, see ya on Pat Puppies. Bye.